Hey everyone, doing eBay box break 171, 1112 prime. Here's your last team auctioned off. Alright, good luck to everyone. Serial number. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. First off, we got for the Vancouver Canucks base of Daniel Sedin out of 249. Next here we got Prime Rookies Quad Jersey Auto for the Toronto Maple Leaf, Ben Scrivens. Out of 199. Nice, here we got a triple jersey for the Edmonton Oilers, Anton Lander, Colton Tubert, and Timu Harkinen out of 150. Oh, crazy nice card. Prime Showcase swatches for the New Jersey Devils, Martin Brodeur, 14 out of 25. Nice card. Wow. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like, they're crazy looking. Jersey behind the two silhouettes there. Yeah, nice card. And Prime Namesakes for the Colorado Avalanche, Matt Duchene out of 75. Nice. And here we got Prime Signatures for the Calgary Flames, Leland Irving. That's out of 99. And base for the Anaheim Ducks, Corey Perry out of 249. Well, that was a pretty nice box. Look at that. I don't know, I love those cards for some reason. And thanks everyone for joining. See you next time.